Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 BMW X9, a flagship SUV that promises to redefine luxury, performance, and technology in the full-size segment. From its bold exterior presence to the cutting-edge innovations under the hood, this is the one you've been waiting for. Just look at those proportions. The X9 sits higher and wider than its predecessors, with a sleek fastback roofline that gives it a more dynamic silhouette. The oversized kidney grille is flanked by laser-sharp adaptive LED headlights, and the lower rear intakes are not only aggressive yet they're functional, channeling air through the front splitter to cool the massive braking system. Chrome accents run along the doors and rear bumper, giving it that unmistakable BMW flair, while 22-inch alloy wheels fill the arches with perfect stance. Slide inside and you're greeted by an opulent cabin wrapped in Napa leather, open portwood trim, and brushed aluminum details. The panoramic glass roof stretches almost the full length of the vehicle, flooding the interior with natural light. The driver's cockpit is centered around a 14.9-inch curved display that integrates the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. Passengers in the second row get their own 12.3-inch screens, and there's even an optional third row for larger families or those who simply refuse to compromise on space. Under the hood, the X9 offers two powerhouse options: a turbocharged inline-six hybrid with 500 horsepower and the twin-turbo V8 hybrid pushing an astonishing 650 horsepower. Both powertrains deliver instant throttle response, while the 8-speed automatic transmission shifts with barely a hint of hesitation. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system constantly monitors traction, sending to work where it's needed most. Whether you're carving mountain roads or cruising city streets, adaptive air suspension and active roll stabilization keep the ride smooth, even on the most demanding terrain. Technology is off the charts, with Level 2+ driver assistance that handles highway merging and stop-and-go traffic, and an augmented reality head-up display that projects navigation cues directly on the windshield. The Bowers Wilkins surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, while wireless charging, Wi-Fi hotspot, and gesture control add that extra touch of convenience. On the road, the 2026 BMW X9 feels both monumental and agile. Steering is precise, body roll is virtually non-existent, and acceleration from 0 to 60 happens in just over 4 seconds in V8 guise. Braking is confidence-inspiring, with carbon ceramic rotors biting down without fade. There you have either BMW's most ambitious SUV yet, blending everyday usability with supercar performance. If you're in the market for a luxury hauler that doesn't compromise on fun, the X9 deserves a spot at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Rolling Legends. We'll see you on the road.